Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming 3 essentials. Your 2K25 account is current, your MyPlayer saves are intact, and you have VC or currency available. Once done, open the wardrobe and the store immediately. Navigate to Apparel, then Filters, and search Black Compression to surface options fast. Make sure to scan locker codes and social promotions concurrently, because those can drop the shirt free. If you lack VC, start grinding a quick mode for 30-60 minutes to top up your balance before buying. Once you've searched, choose the acquisition route that fits your resources: direct buy, earn, or market. If you buy directly, confirm rarity and equipability. If you earn it, target the specific challenge or event that lists apparel rewards. For market routes, use the auction house filters, set a maximum bid, and monitor auctions in the last 2 minutes to avoid overpaying. Make sure to save screenshots of listings and double-check platform restrictions. Crossplay items versus platform-locked items can differ. You're now at the final steps. Equip the black compression shirt from wardrobe, assign it to an outfit slot, and test it in a cutscene or My Court to confirm visuals. If it doesn't appear, restart the game, clear cache, and verify your online save synced correctly. Make sure privacy or platform filters aren't hiding community items. If the purchase vanished, gather your receipt, transaction ID, and screenshots, then contact support. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves lost item errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.